In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Spotify gift card. Whether you're surprising a friend or topping up your own music subscription, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each part, share what to look out for, and help you avoid the common hiccups so you can check out with confidence. First, head to the official Spotify gift cards page. You can also use a trusted online store that sells Spotify gift cards if that's more convenient in your region. Before you go any further, make sure the store serves the same country as the account that will use the card. Gift cards are often region-specific, so matching the country avoids activation issues. If you're shopping on a marketplace, choose a reputable seller and read recent reviews to ensure you're getting a legitimate digital code. Next, choose your gift card value and select the subscription length that fits your needs. Common options include 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Think about who the card is for and how long you want their premium access to last. Keep in mind that local taxes, promotions, or currency differences can affect exactly how far a specific value will go in your area. If you're unsure, pick the amount that comfortably covers the intended duration based on local pricing. When you've made your selection, add it to your cart by clicking Buy or Add to Cart. Take a moment to review your order summary, confirm the card value, subscription length, and currency, and double-check the quantity so you don't accidentally purchase multiples. If the store asks for an email to deliver the code, make sure it's spelled correctly, since the digital code will be sent there. Now it's time to enter your payment method. Most stores accept credit cards, debit cards, or an online payment option. Ensure you're on a secure checkout page, look for the padlock icon in your browser, and complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. If you're using a prepaid or debit card, verify you have enough funds to cover the full amount, including taxes or any processing fees. After that, confirm your purchase and complete the checkout. Wait for the confirmation screen to appear so you know the order went through, and consider saving the order number or receipt for your records. Finally, receive your gift card code. The digital code is sent to your email shortly after payment. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it, look in Promotions or Spam. Keep the code private and store it safely until you're ready to use or gift it. Enjoy the music.